trade futures on this system, go to Make a Trade in the main menu and click Trade Futures. This will load the futures trading pit. You can buy, sell, short, or cover futures. Next, choose the contract type. We divide this up based on the different types of futures that are available. Once you have the contract type, you can select the specific future that you want to trade. Once you've selected the future type, you'll need to choose the expiration of the future that you want to buy. So I'll go forward to October, in which case it's going to load a quote showing the future for crude oil on the Brent type crude oil for October 2018. You can use limit orders, stop orders, or market orders for futures trades. Next, enter your quantity and click Preview to get an estimated order cost, including your commission size. Keep in mind that with futures, each future has a different contract size. This contract size is actually going to determine how a change in this future's price is impacting your portfolio. So this future has 1,000 times contract size. This means every time this future's price goes up by $1, I gain $1,000. So anytime there's a $1 change in either direction, I will gain or lose that amount times 1,000. This contract size is going to differ greatly depending on the futures that you are trading, so just make sure to check the contract size before you place your order. Take any notes you like when you place this order and then click Confirm to place the order in the system.